Attention technology teachers and educators. Hi, I'm Dhruv from Avishkaar and I have an exciting opportunity for you. Are you struggling to teach coding in your classroom? Do you want to make learning more engaging, interactive and future ready for your students? If yes, we've got the perfect solution for you. Join our 3-day training bootcamp from 20th till 22nd March 2025 and become a certified AI and game design mentor for free. What's in it for you? Expert-led training to help you master AI and game design, certification from Avishkaar and STEM.org to boost your credentials as an educator, and hands-on learning that you can apply in your classroom immediately. But hurry, seats are very limited. Don't miss this chance to level up yourself and bring next-gen skills like coding, AI and game design to your classroom. Register now, click the link below to secure your spot before it's gone.